driven mere break-in miles. This 2003 Corvette 50th anniversary wraps analog athleticism in spectacular metallic aesthetics. With incredible performance mixed with legendary heritage, this is your chance to claim a future classic. This razor-sharp convertible is a well-maintained garage queen that's assembly line perfect in virtually every way. The spotless anniversary red metallic two-stage gracefully dances between rich and vivid, depending on the light. And lightweight body panels display precise fit and excellent finish under an exclusive shell cloth top that functions well and seals great. Take a look inside this Chevy and you'll find an impressive leather interior that's clean and to the point. Easy to read gauges hover between an optional heads-up display, dual-zone climate control, and a standard Delco head unit. Corvette branded buckets show virtually no signs of wear at all, and the driver takes control through a leather-wrapped shifter and pristine steering wheel. Lift the sculpted hood and you'll find GM's potent Generation 3 small block, a forerunner to virtually all the technology still featured in Chevrolet sports cars. That LS1 power plant is backed by a stout Tremec 6-speed manual. It's easy to see why the 5th generation of America's favorite sports car remains an in-demand superstar. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.